I hadn't intended on another cocktail that utilized tequila, pineapple, and lime, but here we are. This one is from a bartender named Chris Leavitt, who is based in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Nevada.
Oh, sorry, I always say Nevada, but it's really Nevada. Nevada, sorry, like you're from Chicago and you're saying Nevada. He's from Las Vegas, Nevada, and he rose to prominence very quickly on Instagram with very nicely done cinematic cocktail tutorials, among other types of content. So he does like cocktail content, and then he does like, some, kind of bar technique content, which is pretty good. That's kind of in my wheelhouse. That's what I really love. And then he's like, I'm taking a trip to the, national park near my house, and I'm gonna just shoot some content with my cameras over there. It's a little bit of everything. The recipes that he features are always on point and then very simple, very internet-friendly, home bar-friendly cocktails. Today, we're gonna be making a cocktail, what is it called? I forgot the name. Oh, I didn't write down the name, so if Chris Leavitt wants to weigh in the comments and tell us what the name of this cocktail is, that would be awesome. It's kind of like a pineapple-y penicillin sort of
Where'd you find it?
Huh?
Where'd you find it?
I found it on Instagram.
You want to look it up on Instagram?
No, not really.
Or you're gonna have to look it up on Instagram at one point.
Do I really have to? Why can't Chris just come in here and do it for me? Because I'm lazy. Didn't we talk about how lazy I am?
Yes.
We talked about that in this video, right?
That's what I'm saying.
Fine. You're a slave driver is what you are. Your wish is my command. The cocktail is called a Snap Out of It. And what I really like about this drink and what drew me to it was the juxtaposition of pineapple and ginger syrup. That's what I really I thought that was a really inspired decision to make. 1/2 ounce of lime juice, 1/2 ounce of ginger syrup, 1 ounce of pineapple juice, 2 ounces Tequila Blanco. Come on, now touch me, babe. Can't you see that I am not afraid? We need to find some new double old-fashioned glasses. So I'm gonna find some new ones. What was that promise that you made? What was that thing that she said? What was that promise that you made? Now I'm gonna love you till the heavens start to rain. Till it falls down from the sky for you and I. You know what that is?
No.
That's The Doors, my friend.
Oh.
The song is called, I think the song is called Touch Me. You don't know The Doors?
I do.
I mean, you know who The Doors are, but you obviously didn't listen to The Doors because that was one of their more recognizable songs.
It didn't sound like The Doors. Just the way you sang it.
Well, the way that I sang it though, I mean, like I don't have the, because they have like
the organs?
dude in the keyboards, right? And it's like that very Doors, like it's bum 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 like that, right? But that's like the very like organy sounding keyboards that the Doors did. That's kind of signature of the Doors. I can't do that with my mouth because I
know, but also
I'm not an instrument.
And the way Jim Morrison sings it's so different.
No, you're wrong.
Okay.
Give this a strain. Notice I haven't done any like big rocks ice today. Just doing this on the rocks, my friend. I could already tell this was freaking bright as hell. It's gonna be nice and bright and a little snappy from the ginger. So we're gonna garnish with a fresh lime wheel or a freeze-dried one. If you go to theeducatedbarfly.com and buy some freeze-dried ones. And then we're going to also do some candied ginger on top. Kind of wanted to double it up on the ginger though. And the best way to do this so that it sticks on the rim is to just angle it like a little V like that. And you can pinch the rim of the glass. Boop! All right, let's give it a sip. Yeah, it's bright, refreshing. It's a little bit tart, get a little bit of balance from the ginger syrup, but the ginger syrup has got a lot of that nice ginger kick to it. And then of course you got the tequila, very much like a margarita, just like a spicy, pineapple-y margarita. There it is, the Snap Out of It.